Good morning. I am going to show you Ganoderma. As you see, the Ganoderma is shining. After usage of Ganoderma soap, your face is also glowing like Ganoderma. Now today I am going to demonstrate how to use soap because most of the people don't know how the proper usage of this soap. Now spray the water on the face and take the foam of soap and apply it on face in the rotational movements. We can also apply this creamy soap on the neck so it doesn't look different. You can put the foam 15 minutes on your face. It is good for skin glow and pigmentation. It avoids skin burns as you having hot climate. You cannot go outside without sunblock, so it is also good as sunblock. It gives the complete coverage to your skin protection. It is chemical free, so you can put the soap 15 minutes. It will not harm your skin or cannot peel it off. Cleanse your face with sponge thoroughly and dry with tissue. In case if somebody has pimples or pigmentation marks or any other skin disease, they can apply our Ganozy toothpaste with water. Because the toothpaste contains menthol which dries and removes skin pigments and pimples. It will give you a cooling effect and improve your skin, and results can be seen after 15 days if there is a regular usage. Ganozy toothpaste can be used for various purposes such as dandruff and hair fall treatment. It can also be used for shining and conditioning your hair. Can you see the result after applying Ganozy soap? We have our own complete skincare series. It contains of cleanser, toner and moisturizer, which also contains Ganoderma. Now it will demonstrate the facial step by step. Spray normal water. Apply the cleanser all over the face from head to neck in rotational movements. Leave this Ganozy cleanser for 10 to 15 minutes to absorb in skin for better cleaning. It also clears and prevents wrinkle formation. It is suitable for all skin types, as we know that our face skin is much more delicate than of our body skin. Similarly, eye area is more delicate than face skin. So be careful. Massage the neck. We can also tell you how to control your dark circles. Keep massaging with cleanser until it is totally absorbed by the skin. We will leave it for 10 to 15 minutes because it contains Ganoderma which has no side effects. After 15 minutes, cleanse it with sponge. The skin starts glowing after applying cleanser. After this, we are going to scrub with our Ganozy 3-in-1 coffee because there is sugar, milk and Ganoderma in coffee. Sugar scrubs our face for the removal of black and white heads. Milk gives softening and brightening. Again, Ganoderma gives shining to your skin. Before applying scrub, we spray water and then apply coffee on face thoroughly. Scrub is used for removing blackhead and whiteheads from nose and chin. Then we need to massage nicely on nose and chin in rotational movements. You leave this scrub 10 minutes on your face for better results. After 10 minutes, we remove scrub. Everyone asks to how much time we scrub. When the sugar is melted on your face, then you stop massaging. And after 10 minutes, you wash your face or cleanse with sponge as per your desire. After scrubbing, the face is glowing now, so you can have the look. Now we start massage with Ganozy oil. This product is basically used for arthritis pain and rheumatism, but today I am going to use this oil for facial massage. Shake the bottle before use. Now apply oil on face. It is based on palm oil and Ganoderma, so it is natural oil, harmless. It is good for tightening, glowing skin, also prevents wrinkle formation. Massage properly in upward direction. All pressure points and nose bridge is covered. It gives us the feeling of relaxation. This massage is also prevent and remove your laughter lines. So many people asked about the dark circles, how can they get rid of it? Ganossi oil is good for dark circles and eye bags under the eyes. Take the Ganossi oil and massage clockwise and anti-clockwise under your eyes. It is also used for the removal of lines which most people have on their forehead. So keep massaging as I am doing. It's good for blood circulation. Most parlors they use machines for vibration, which enhances the blood circulation. But Ganossi oil is so powerful with its ingredients, it circulates the blood and with light strokes of hands. It also prevents of creating double chin, and massage is also very helpful in removing lines and loose skin. Now spray some rose water on cotton pad and put on your eyes and give steam for removing the dead skin and blackheads. Do not scratch your pimple with nail, it will leave marks. We can also remove blackheads with the tissue, and I am showing how we can do that. After the massage, take cotton pad dipped in rose water and put them on your eyes and take steam. After taking the steam, clean your face with tissue and take out black and white heads with the pimple stick. Now we are going to make mask. Take 1 spoon of mushroom powder and 2 spirulina candies. In case of older skin, you can take 6 spirulina. For the combination and normal skin, you take Cocozee, and for oily skin you take 1 spoon of black coffee and 2 spoons of Morenzi juice. Now I am showing how to make mask. I have 1 RG and 1 GL and 2 spirulina capsules and Cocozee, and mix this in Morenzi juice. Shake it well before using. Mix the mixture with fingers because we don't want to waste our mask. Now you apply the mask on face. Put the rose water dipped cotton pads on your eyes. It will give you cooling effect. In case you don't have rose water, take cucumber slices and put them on your eyes for this same purpose. Leave the mask for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you wash your face with normal water. Now we are going to remove the mask. Now you see how the skin starts glowing. We have 3 things in our skin treatment series: cleanser, toner and moisturizer. We have already used cleanser. Now I am going to show you how to use toner. Take the cotton, slightly spray water on it and take 2 to 3 drops of toner and apply as I am applying. Now we are going to apply moisturizer. Take only 2 to 3 drops of moisturizer on your hand and apply as I am applying. This is our last step of facial. Now see the shine and glow on her skin. Now I am going to tell you how our Genozee skincare treatment series use on daily basis. When we awake in the morning, take 2 to 3 drops of cleanser, apply on your face, massage nicely and gently and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then after wash your face, take 2 to 3 drops of toner and apply on your face. Then after that apply moisturizer. Same procedure you have to apply in night also. This moisturizer works also as a sunblock. After 10 to 12 days of usage, you can see your skin glowing. Everyone asks about the price as they think it is costly. But it is not costly because we use these products round about 2.5 to 3 months. In India, this facial cost 65 rupees only. In UAE, it is of 11 dirhams, and if you convert it in dollars, then one facial is equal to $7 only.
Abba, after facial, what do you feel? See your face in mirror.
Wow. Oh my God! Thank you, Rashi. Thank you. Really?
Welcome.
After this, wow, it's glowing, right?
Yeah.
I feel it's glowing more than before, and I
And
think
you use
I
this,
have,
yeah.
I have to use it every day. Wow, it's amazing. But thank you so much.
Welcome,
thank you,
Hibba.
thank you,
Welcome,
thank you, Roshi,
welcome.
thank you.
And use the products. This is very good.
Yeah, yeah, I
There is
have
no
used.
side effects also.
Yeah. That is the most important thing in your product, that there is no side effect and give you this result from the first
Same time, yeah.
Yeah, in the same time, from the first time you can see the result and you can feel it. It's like a baby. You can see.
Yeah, there is.
Thank you so
And
much.
we do our facial in parlors. After 2-3 days, the result is coming. But this facial, same time you feel the result.
Yeah, that is the
There
most
there
important thing in your product. I'm so
Okay.
glad for you and for,
Okay,
for
thank you,
your
Hibba.
product to
Thank
make
you. You give
something
me
like
time.
that.
Thank
so
you
much.
very
Thank
much.
so
Now I am going to show how to control our falling hair and how we can make our hair strong and silky. And new hair growth with our Ganuzi oil. I am showing you how to apply Ganuzi oil. Nowadays there are so many oil and shampoos for different hair therapy and dandruff control. But these products contains heavy chemical which harm your hair, which makes your hair weak and white. People also become bald. Before apply Ganuzi oil, shake it well, take the cotton and put some water on it. Squeeze the cotton and after that dip the cotton in the oil. Put in the roots of your hair. Apply the oil as I am applying. Massage with the tips of your fingers. Directions as we use clockwise and anti-clockwise. After oil massage, we give steam with towel, as we say it hot towel steam, because it is good for opening pores and oil is absorbed by the skull. Dip the towel in hot water as I am showing, squeeze it and put on your hair like this. Repeat it 3 times. Now we are going to make the mask. Take 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 to 2 spoons of mushroom powder or 2 pairs of RGGL and 2 to 4 candies of spirulina and sachet of black coffee. Mix all these and apply on the skull as I am applying. Leave it at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, we rinse the mask and apply only Ganoszi shampoo. Apply the shampoo in